Hi there, guys and gals. Do you remember whenever I said if you can crawl underneath your possible future project, do it? I think I may have said it the last project ago. We're not talking about rust bucket list. We knew that thing was shot before we got it. We're talking about this guy. Yep, we've already tore off the bumper. We discovered a few things which we're not ultimately excited about. We knew these things were known for rear rust in the frame. Yeah, it's got it. And we discovered something else. The quarter panel here that we're also replacing the full thing has been repaired already, along with the bumper. So yeah, we're going to do the right thing and try to repair the same bumper, but a more gooder way. That's sheet metal, like from tin. We're going to do it a different way. We got this thing off the Amazonian site, and it's a plastic welding gun. And I've seen these things, you've seen these things. They actually sell them now, you know, to all of us regular folk, I reckon. And you know how you used to see them like on Temu or whatever. I still have my doubts. This may be the same one off of there, I don't know, but just not ready for that yet. So we're going to professionally remove this. Whew. Yep. I don't know how in the world you bust up a rear bumper so bad. I don't know. I'm confused. But nonetheless, we're going to repair this guy. That is some sort of silicone though, so that's good. They at least tried to repair it somewhat the right way. But it's busted up there, and then it's just, I mean, she's just straight ugly, boys. Look at this. I mean, they tore the bejesus out of it right there. The good thing is they went over the screws. So that's cool. So we're gonna like try to take all this non-factory stuff off along with those screws, and then we're going to see how good this plastic welder is from the Amazonian site. Dang it, even got me there. All right, give me a few minutes to set up and we're going to figure something out. All right. So upon opening this thing, it's really impressive. It's got its own case. Apparently you can melt the plastic all kinds of different ways, along with melt plastic into it. I like that. So we're going to start out with this zigzaggy guy, and we're just going to see what happens, because, you know, you're here with me, I'm here with you, and we're doing this together. We dug out as much of that beautiful stuff as we could, and for gigs, let's just do a guy right here. Are you going in there? Smells like a Marlboro being burned, if I'm gonna be honest. And that didn't do spit. Awesome. Okay. Maybe I need to like do it more gooder? Is that a thing? Come on, bro. Get in there. Do your stuff. Oh, shit. I don't know what's really going on. That's what I'm saying. Maybe I pushed this guy in here too far. That may be a thing. Let's try another one. Huh. Since we've already messed up one of those, let's loosely put. This is going to be good, because I know them tips are hot now. Yowza. Yep. And just make sure it's real loose like that and falls right out. Dang it. Kidding me? So hopefully this works. But if it doesn't, you know what? It was only like 37 bucks, which kind of sucks to lose, but you know. It looked like it did its job more gooder. I'll let it set. Come on. Let go, you dirty bird. Dang it. I don't think this guy works too good on whatever kind of plastic this is. Maybe, I don't know. Rubberish stuff. Well, it worked okay-ish there. Maybe I just need to, is this a thing? Just like let her eat on this side? I don't know. So I let it just continue to melt. What phase of the bumper is left? I guess I'm trying to let it cool. I don't really know what I'm doing. So there's destructions over there, but those things just really take more time, and you know, ain't nobody got time for that. You know what? Did that? Oh, you dirty bird. Dang you. So I think this might be junk. I don't know. Maybe if we take if we burn him in and like somehow, I don't know. Maybe if we just do that. Let it do its due. Like, let it do business. Then we just kind of like, come on, bruh. Dang it. There. What are you doing? Okay, so this guy here, they made it look really good, like on the commercials and stuff. I don't know if I'm just like not holding my mouth right, or let's burn another spot. We should have started down here where nobody can see but me, but we didn't. And it really does smell like some wicked old Marlboro, just a burning. I ain't kidding you. It's gnarly. The theory is it melts into the plastic. God bless. It's supposed to melt into the plastic and you cut the ears off, but you know, that's absolutely what's not happening. And for the life of me, I don't know why. It's, I mean, it should like just do what it's told. Go to your home. Can I lay it there and like, you know, is this a thing? Is it not a thing? I don't know. Maybe those guys had the right idea. Go, just fall on the ground and we'll find another one. Let's find, I don't know. I got like a lot of those guys. So, yep, we're like 0 for 12 right now. Let me see what ones might work the best, and we'll come right back. All right, so I know I said I would show you what we got, so I can't, I'm not gooder with this guy and that guy and holding this all at once. So I kind of like leaned it up to where it was kind of holding, then I would hold it with the hand, and you lay this down wherever the crack is and you just melt it right in the spot. And I'm gonna say it, I know it looks like total dog poopy because it's burned, and you know, it smells like, you know, I'm gonna say stale cigarettes and I don't know. It's pretty potent. Like, it smells 80-ish with the windows up, you know what I mean? So it's actually really good. I can sand that stuff down, and we're gonna go over it with fiberglass resin filler, and it's going to be gooder. This thing's gonna live again. We're gonna ditty up this spot. Not ditty. We're gonna fix this spot right here the same way. We're just taking this, and this one's marked like polymer, that thing. Did you see it? It has that word on it. We used this guy at first, polyurethane. We used that first, and it did a really good job. And then we just thought we'd try this one just to see, you know, for gigs. But we're going to end up salvaging this bumper. I think it's going to work just fine. So that's good, because I was kind of lightweight worried about it, because it really had some nasty bumps in it. But we're going to salvage this guy the exact same way. Just make sure you get, you know, spots into place where, you know, it's supposed to be, and then just send it. That's what we're going to do, and yeah, we'll see what comes out. All right, just because I love you guys, I'm going to try to show you with you guys clipped to my bill of the hat here as I professionally weld this thing plastically. Alright, so here's what I'm going to say to round all this up. You can save yourself money by not buying this tool from the Amazonian site. This guy. If I'm you and you're me, then we're going back in time. We're not buying it, because I have come to the vast conclusion that you can do the exact same thing or something similar. I mean, that did do a really good job laying it down flat, but I had to take the mini torch, heat up the glue, and then heat up that darn thing to finish the job. So I'm pretty sure you can do the exact same job with a hot glue gun, soldering gun, and plastic zip ties. 100% sure of it. And it's going to do pretty much the exact same job. I am pretty impressed with how good it laid it down in there, and it really did do a heck of a job. It repaired this old gal, and she's going to get another lease on life. So that at least saved me some money. I'm happy for that. I'm not happy that, I don't know if something kicked inside of here that's a heat protective something or other, because it is still just, she's warm, is what I'm saying. So we're going to do the right thing. We'll try it again tomorrow. But honestly, we got our bumper done for the repairs. Hashtag winning. So that's how you can save these bumpers. If you buy a more gooder one of these, let me know. I'm more than willing to try another one of these. Just not this brand, I don't think. Unless this thing comes back around. I mean, I've kind of lost some faith in it, I'm gonna be honest. I mean, you saw the amount of repairs we did. It wasn't like a whole bumper, it was like 2 sections. But that's why I do these, so you don't waste your money and I waste mine, or at least send this thing back, or try to. Anyway, guys and gals, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you on what to and not to do. So have a good one. We'll see you next time here on Right Turn Garage TV. And believe me, we're still doing the old rust bucket list. We've got a name picked out for this. Before I get off here, I have to tell you this. We were going to name this project We Don't Know. And finally, I actually named it myself. I was going to name it White Privilege, because it is exactly to me what white privilege is. It's not. It's beat to death. It's, yeah. So I was going to name it that ironically, you know what I mean? Because this thing is just beat to death. And I actually come up with a different thing to name it. We're going to do a red, white, and blue bird. Red, white, and blue is going to be the theme, right? So we're going to name this thing Freebird. Hey, I'm in Southern Ohio. It fits. I'm just saying. Tell me what you guys and gals think. I think it fits pretty darn good. Let me know. We're going to continue to work on this thing. We're going to try to bust this thing out in like record time. For reals. So wish us luck, and we'll see you next time here. And y'all, thanks for watching, and have a great weekend. All right, we'll see you.